What's up PRX family, TK here, and we're back with another video in our FAQ series. Today, we're going to be looking at this bent pin. That'll be the last thing left over after you install your folding rack. We often get the questions of what is this and what is it used for? Today, we're going to show you in this video. With our rack folded up, you're going to notice that there's a hole on the outside of the linkage arm that then matches up with a hole going through your upright. So you're going to take your pin, go through the linkage arm, through the upright, and then pin to secure so that you can't pull it out, and then this is going to lock your rack in the stored position. So if someone were to come by and try to grab it, it's not going to allow you to open it. With this rack here and all racks that have a pull-up bar, you're only going to get one pin because the pull-up bar keeps the whole system together. When you order a folding squat rack without a pull-up bar, you're going to receive 2 pins. So this is where we get the questions of, well, I only received 1, or now I have 2 and I don't know what they're used for. With our folding squat racks without a pull-up bar, the uprights are not connected with the pull-up bar, so they move on their own. When both uprights are folded up, the process is very simple, same as a rack with a pull-up bar. You're gonna pin in, clip, go across to the other side, pin in and clip, and there you have it. Your rack is safely stored, ready for the next time when you use it. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have questions, reach out to us via our social accounts or our website, and enjoy the gains.